All right, everybody, this is the Are You Human challenge from Hack the Web. So let's go ahead and read the description for the challenge. It says, apparently the robots have taken control of the internet. That's why the people on Earth are coming up with more and more creative systems to distinguish humans from robots. Show that you're a human and click on the letters in the correct order. Click on the letters in the correct order. So, I mean, this is in implementation of what is called a CAPTCHA, and CAPTCHA is a type of test that tests whether or not the person who is interacting with the system is a human or a robot or a computer. In this case, we need to spell the word, I think it's transition. Let's reload the page. Okay, so the word is transition that we need to spell out. Before we solve the challenge, let's talk about what's going on in here. So in this challenge, we're told to click on letters in a certain order to solve the challenge. So this is an example of a CAPTCHA. So CAPTCHA, I think it's, what does it stand for? Let me look it up real quick. What does CAPTCHA stand for? So CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test, to tell computers and humans apart. And this is the type of challenge you might see on websites to quote unquote prove that you're a human. And so it's a type of challenge designed to be solvable by people, but not solvable by computer programs, that is robots. So this is an example of a CAPTCHA that you might have seen previously. Let's see. To continue, type the characters you see in the picture. So you would have to type in the letters 6T, 9, etc., etc. And the reason why we used to do stuff like this is because programs used to be not able to read characters in an image like this. They can nowadays, but this is an example of a CAPTCHA we used to use in the past. CAPTCHAs, what are they primarily used for online? So CAPTCHAs are used to prevent abuse of online services, such as online polls or account creation or login attempts, etc., etc. If you come across any system on the internet that might be abused, if it's completely automated by robots or something like that, you might see some sort of CAPTCHA that prevents you from, it prevents you from A, accessing the system too quickly, and B, testing whether or not the user that is interacting with the system is a person or not. Let's go back to the challenge. So what we need to do is we need to prove that we're a human by clicking on the word and spell out the word transition. So let's do that. T R A N S ITION. Okay, we'll click on go. Okay, so are you human? Transition is correct. Okay, that's great. All right, everybody, we solved the challenge. That was the Are You Human challenge from Hack the Web. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.